do you people want from me? You people should leave me alone. I don't want to be a member of your cult anymore.
But you made a choice. Why then do you accept mediocrity?
I accept the oaths I took at the altar. But I love my husband so much. He's all that matters to me.
And you think he loves you too?
Of course he does.
You believe you are the only woman in his life?
Why all this question?
Making a man your world, my friend, is like pulling a trigger of a loaded gun directly into your brain. It will mess you up. It will mess you up.
Thank you. But I don't need marital advice from people who are taking the life of their partner.
Then, that shall be your portion.
He who fetches ant-infested firewood just invited lizard to a feast. Are you ready for this?
You take it now. Azuba! Azuba! Azuba!
This is beyond what you see. This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deep, deeper than what you see. This is ladies' fraternity. And this is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity.
I can never even think of something like that. I didn't know.
Liar! Liar, Rebecca, you killed my brother and think he will go scot-free? No! You must swear before the gods. You must swear. You must swear. His spirit must haunt you. You must swear under must.
Njide, even you.
Yes.
Njide, but you know how much I love your brother.
It's a lie. This is a death issue. You must swear.
Hey.
You must swear.
Njide, you know I can never hurt my husband. I can never touch. I can never.
You have to swear. You have to swear. Everybody said you killed him. You will have to swear. Oh, you have to swear. You have to drink his bathwater.
Hey.
No, definitely you have to swear.
Hey.
You have to swear.
Ichie, even you. Ichie, but you know as much as Pius has been bad to me, but I can never ever think of killing him.
The best way to prove your innocence. I know he was maltreating you. You killed him. Then swear to prove your innocence. Huh?
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Chibo. Pius, because you have to stand up and defend yourself. Pius, stand up and tell them the truth. Tell them that I did not kill you, Pius. Oh. Hey! 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 I did not kill my husband. I cannot even think of it, talk more of doing it. I did not kill my husband, no, Pius. Pius, come and speak for me. Come and tell them I did not kill you.
How many times have I asked you to remain dead? Let the dead remain dead and let the living live and flourish in the land of the living, Pius. I have told you several times that I have no business with you. Do not cross paths with me anymore. Because if you continue like this, Pius, death will be much more cruel to you. Get out. Get out!
I beg you, allow me to go see my family. It's been months, please.
Annabelle, I'm your husband. And you will obey every instruction I lay down.
Joseph, you may be my husband, but you are no master of mine. This is marriage, not slavery. I will not allow you imprison me. What is all this? Allow me to go see my people. What is that?
I am your only legitimate family. And you move only when I say you move.
You are not God. And I will not watch you deprive me of my right.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
You must be a fool to think that I'm not God in my own house. In fact, I am your God. And what I say is final. You are not seeing any member of your family ever again. You just challenge me.
Yes, I did. And I will do that again if your decision doesn't sit well with me. I won't be silent. Enough! I will continue to challenge you until you stop. Enough of all this. Enough!
Anna, come back here.
Joseph, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it now? What is it? What is it?
Anna, you said and I promise that you will disrespect me if the need be, right? You have started growing wings.
I said so. I will continue to disrespect you. I will continue to challenge you if any of your decision doesn't sit well with me.
Stop quiet.
Joseph, leave me alone.
Come back here.
Come back here.
Come back here. Are you out of your senses? Are you out of your senses? I married you with my money. My heart and money. You do as I say.
I'm not going anywhere. Do your worst.
I'm playing with you.
Joseph!
Carol, please. You have to calm down. Calm down and believe that everything will be fine. You don't have to overthink.
Everything will be fine. When? Just look at me. University graduate. Then I go to... I am tired of this kind of suffering. Can't go. Everything I touch becomes dust. Why? Why is my case different? Why is nothing working for me? Nothing is working at all. Everything will be fine. You know, most times I consider suicide.
God forbid. Why would you wish something like that to yourself? You're not the only one suffering. Everyone has a story. If people start relating to you what they are passing through, you will know that you are someone's prayer points.
I say. That's a lie. I don't even wish it for anybody, not even for my enemy. Do you know what I'm going through? Nobody in his or her right senses would ever wish my condition to be their prayer point. One nanamata fufu. I am suffering. I am suffering. Yotaro.
Calm down.
I am suffering. Kara is suffering.
It's okay. Please stop it.
Hello? Yes? Eh? Okay. I'll be there right away.
Who was that?
It's Anno. Anne has been hospitalized.
What?
I have to go there.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Then I have to go with you. Hold on, let me get my bag. What is wrong with your husband? If he needs a punching bag, he should go and get one for himself. Enough of all these maltreatments.
Was every slight argument pleaded to being hospitalized? I mean, what is wrong with your husband? What is even wrong with Joseph?
It's okay.
No, don't tell me it's okay because you're too calm for this guy and that is why he's taking you for granted. I wish this guy can just meet me. I will just block out his eyes from his eye socket. What is this nonsense?
It's okay. He is my husband. I can handle him. It's okay.
I see. So, this is you handling it. Just look at you. It's your husband. He's okay. I can handle it. Okay, till he kills you.
So what do you expect me to do? Stand and fight with him? It's okay.
It's not okay.
Anne, this is not okay. I need you to stand and fight. Take a bold step. Anne, leave before you lose your head in this whole process. This is not marriage.
Babes, this is for better, for worse. This is marriage we're talking about here. I made a vow. I am going to stick with him. I am going to stay with my husband through thick and thin. I'm not going anywhere till death do us part. That is what marriage entails.
Let's take it easy with her. She's still undergoing treatments. We'll talk about this some other time. For now, let's focus on her quick recovery.
No, this is the right time to talk about this.
Hey, handsome. Hello. Yes, you. Come. Hi.
Hello.
You look so good.
Wow.
I would love to spend some time with you. What do you think it will cost me?
Time? How?
Are you a child? I mean, I want to have fun with you. And it's going to benefit the both of us. So what do you think it's going to cost me?
200,000.
I will give you 500,000.
Wow.
Just hop into the car.
That's good.
Come in.
Wow.
My humble abode.
Wow. This is beautiful.
You like?
It's beautiful. I love it.
You're welcome. Sit and make yourself comfortable. So what would you like to have? I have whiskey, vodka, wine. What are you doing?
Love you.
Oh, naughty you. You know what? Sit. We'll get to that, okay?
Okay.
Let me get you whiskey.
It's alright.
You seem like a whiskey man.
Oh.
Here. Thank you. Is that it? Oh, please. Hold on. More. You need more energy.
Let me massage you, okay? Legs are really soft. Like 5-year-old baby. Very creamy, juicy, cool looking body of yours, huh? Wow. It's like I'm searching for the first time about that. Wow.
Sweet love.
Yeah.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Oh God, you know my spouse.
Please, babe. I need to restock my shop. I don't have much goods again. And customers are coming. The things they are asking, I don't have it in the shop. And the thing is affecting my business.
I know. Last time I visited, your shop was empty. Don't you worry. I'll raise up some money for you. Just that things have not been moving smoothly for me now.
I know.
But, well, things will be okay very soon, okay?
I believe so.
Good. Just keep praying, okay? Someday God will answer our prayers.
I will, my sweetheart.
Then?
Thank you so much. Thank you for loving me.
Thank you for thanking me too.
I love you so much. Please massage my legs.
Oh, very well. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Your legs look creamy.
Thank you.
And smooth too.
Touch this one small.
Easy.
Beyond what you see, this is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deeper than what you see. This is ladies' fraternity, and this is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. This is beyond what you see. This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deeper than what you see. This is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. This girls and me, dear well I be. Ladies' fraternity. This girls are the
The great Azuba has accepted your soul, and it is a thing of rejoice. But your body is no longer yours. Your body now belongs to the temple of Azuba.
This is ladies' fraternity. This is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity.
It's not what you think. It's not what you think, honey. Honey? Honey, please. I can explain. Honey? And what are you both doing there?
I don't understand.
Okay, pay us our money.
Get out of the street now! Give us our money. What nonsense when I talk? Okay, fuck it, I don't understand. I mean, if your wife calls, I don't know. What are you talking about? You move it. Get out of here. You, come this side. Come this side. Come on, get away. What nonsense? Do you want to leave this room right away? What nonsense when I talk about?
I know enjoying. When you be the knackers, you don't know. Like, I don't understand. See this man, no.
I mean, not be what
they just they play.
Oga, pay us. I will choke up for you.
Oga, look me. I will put a whole girl. No cheddar nonsense with me. To be the girl. No cheddar nonsense. Pay us our money, please.
I'll you, Oga. Give us our money.
Are you okay, man?
I'll tell this.
You get out of here now! Before I call my dogs on you. What nonsense are you talking about? Get out now!
Oga, pay us our money.
My sister. This country no be place at all.
You never still see work?
Hey, drink water, get them. Me, I won't pass the work. My darling, I don't trek my full life. I don't trek the news and crown of this nation. So no, I've been blessing my certificate now waste.
My dear. Now you talk about. You see this life, eh? This life don't show me pepper. Now Cameroon pepper, you put for my eyes. As in life one just choke me like this, make I die. But now God save me. Because you see now God they save me more for this country.
Don't go save you, Mumu.
Go be Mumu, you dey crazy. You dey crazy. I don't tire for this game.
Don't be tired, pass. And to think that there are some set of people who has so much money that they lavish it like water, as if they pluck it from the trees. My dear, I don't understand how we people come this life. I don't understand.
I swear down, like I don't understand it. How these people make this money? Where they from? They see this money. Where made them they spend and like? I mean, get what thing they do? What we never do.
My dear, I keep asking myself the same question. Every single day I wake up in the morning, I will ask myself this same question. But who will answer me now? Only me go answer myself.
You're your own. For this country.
Speaking of which, guess who I saw today? Just guess. Who? An old classmate of mine. Yes. If you see this babe, my darling, this girl was rolling and pulling one straight fleet of convoy.
Lie. Babe, you know what be convoy? You be like, come, you don't
lie.
I
don't get though. No miss, I know nothing happen for real life.
Convoy, babe, how? I don't understand.
My darling,
I didn't even notice her in the first place. She called my attention. She might go say, Rebecca! I said, Rebecca, now you be this. Babe! When I see this chick, you go not say money, they talk. The girl, they drip. Like, you need to see, babe. This guy, they buga inside convoy. You know what's in there? Seeing her alone, the thing down my spirits, motivates me, lift me, carry me go different part.
You don't know, sir.
My sister.
Can you go where you don't know?
Hey.
I hope so you collect this girl number. I hope so you know fuck up. Just make sure so you get this girl contact.
Me. I collected her contact, so she said she was going to link me up, and I just pray because I want me she help me find job. It did very important.
Wait. Just tell her that you have a sister that is also looking for a job. You know this job is important to me too.
Quick, you too they hurry. You fair women they find one person job, fair you find. You want jump can't spoil everything for me. One person for my guy. Which one be that one?
You dey mad. I resemble your village people. You don't know your village people if you see them. Just tell her say I need work. Your own na sure.
You know say you na my G. No worry. I will connect you. But me I know say I just know be say I just dey pray me my breakthrough just come. Because I don't tire. You know easy to trek now. Every day person go trek.
You know wetin e mean? You get person wey get contact to convoy.
They need to see this babe. If you see her skin.
Hey.
Now wow. Now so this when don't see money, they know they ever they pick up. Call go ring, they no go fit pick. Pick your call now. Which kind of thing be this one? She don't send me her address. Oh my God, she don't send me her address. So Carol, she don't send me her address.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
Has it been long you came?
Yes, it's been over 2 hours. I called you on phone, no response. I even knocked and knocked. To no avail.
My darling, sorry, I've been looking for my phone since morning. You will not believe this.
It's okay.
And as for the stupid gate man I have here, I don't know where the guy went to. So sorry about that, my girl.
It's okay.
Have you had breakfast?
Well, I had something light.
My friend, hop in, let's go and eat. Hop in, like you don't want to eat.
Thank you.
Honey, I said that I'm sorry. Why are you being so hard on me? I said it was a mistake. Please, forgive me.
You're sorry?
Yes.
So you want me to forgive and forget? To pretend like I didn't see you with another woman on our matrimonial bed? Even when I'm still hurting from your last beating? Let me ask you a question. Just one question. If I was the one you caught with another man, in such an abominable state, would you have forgiven so easily?
God forbid! Don't even dare! Because the day you dare try that nonsense, I will kill you, I will kill that fool, I will kill myself.
You see? I'm glad this came from you. Joseph, please, leave me alone.
Wait, this small thing that you're already forming like this, what's happening? Why are you bringing pride into this? I'm trying to ask for forgiveness here and then suit yourself.
Can be deceived easily. There is no shortcut. You don't want to it's your right one in the church.
Sandy Coco. Sandy baby. Sandy Popo. Poparipo. Oh my God. I'm just remembering good old days. My darling, how have you been? I mean, it's been a while. How many years now? Huh? How are you doing?
If I'm being honest, not good. You know, ever since I finished from youth service, I've been looking for a job. I've searched the nook and cranny of the city. I've even sent my CV to friends out of town. But no positive response. Rebecca, it's been hell for me.
My darling, I completely understand how you feel. I honestly do. I mean, every citizen and graduate, be you who of this country is going through the same plight. It's not been easy. As it is now, my darling, the only person who can actually help us right now is God. Father, Lord, help us.
Amen. Amen.
That's why I pray fervently. Like it's just God.
Yeah. Huh? So, it's been a while. How you do? Why am I asking you how you're doing? I can see you're doing so good for yourself. I mean, look at all of this. How did this all happen? I mean, this country is hard.
Well, like you said, how did it all happen? I have no other answer but to say God made it happen. My darling, the Bible said there will be a casting down, but we will say there is a lifting up. Yes. While others are saying there's a casting down. Darling, I owe it all to God. All glory to Almighty God. Greater grace, Dad. Greater grace.
Tell me, how is your husband? I mean, of course you were married when we were still in school, so how is he?
My dear, he passed.
Oh no.
I lost my darling husband, my beloved husband.
So sorry. Oh, this is such bad news. Sorry. I didn't know. You know, it's been a while. I didn't know. So sorry.
Yeah, of course, it's been a while. We've all lost touch and all that.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's nothing. It's over how many years now? I've moved on. I've tried. Don't dull the moment, you know. We're talking about you. So, back to you. What do you intend to do? How do you want to move from here to the next level?
That's why I'm here. I need your help, seriously. I need you to help me.
You need my help?
Yes. I mean, any position at all. Anything. You can employ me or set me up for employment. I would gladly accept whatever you give me. I'm ready to let me just work. Anything, no matter the salary. Please, help me.
You need my help?
Yes. Please.
Well, I am sorry, Sandra. I don't have a job for you. I can't employ you. I don't have one single job for you. And do you know why I cannot employ you? Because you are way beyond working for anyone. Sandra, you are full of potentials. I mean, there is no limit to the potential you have. You have not even announced it at all. So the question rather should be, are you ready to drink from the fountain of wealth?
Sorry, how do you mean?
Before I go any further, you would have to take a non-disclosure oath. Until then, I would know you are ready to cross the first line of wealth.
If I follow well, it's your one if we follow well.
How far my babe, Bebe? How far my fellow billionaire in waiting?
What's happened?
Come out, billionaire gang.
I beg. That's what billionaire say they know. What's happened? Gary don't finish.
Tell me, Gary. Come, you they look me less. How far? They mad.
How far Guinea? You know say you know day.
Come. No let Ogu punish you this afternoon, no. You not tell me say they go see that your rich friend. How far the job?
Nothing, no. I don't see anything.
What happened? They whine me.
You don't be whining. I don't think you say nothing now. In fact, I don't even understand what she just speaking the talk play. I don't even understand what she just speak plenty grammar. I don't get what she was saying.
What did she say?
She said she wants to teach me how to catch all the fishes in the river with one single net. When I become Peter now.
You be fisherman.
See me, oh.
But what does she mean by that?
Let's say your ear don't they pay. I just say in sound on the English she speak. You see, ask me say what does she mean by that? I tell you, I go to decipher English.
This kind of nonsense.
You know it's in there. Maybe you go just, if I dey go again, you go follow me. Then that way you can understand what she's saying. Because at this point, everything you they vex me. Me, I don't go there, don't they put on my hopes. Say even if na even a small work when they go pay person 50k monthly, person now is wanting to manage in life. They tell me say catch fish, catch river, catch this one.
Okay. When you want to go see her?
Tomorrow morning. You know what? Just make sure you're here by 7 a.m. Then we'll go together.
I know what. I'll go with you. You know, so you know they quick to understand English.
You and they understand English.
So I go make I understand
I
them.
don't
Because we will be investors. You guys will take the plan things.
I dey see am so.
Let
me carry Akoche back. They go. We don't talk finish.
They pursue me.
You don't. Wait till you come here, come find. You don't finish now, yeah. Goodbye.
Where they go?
Go.
Open your door.
Waiting happen. Gary went there now one passion. I make sure I know go reach 2 of us. They go.
You don't see me finish this girl.
Oh yeah, they go.
They look me less.
Yes, billionaire. They go.
They mad. I don't be poor masses so.
Go chop Chinese for your ass. Leave my.
You don't camp man for this house.
Which man?
This is no.
For this my poverty life. Now I won't put my inside.
They see me like move. Open this.
No, open with it. Gary, I know. See, that Gary now only one portion. I
know get.
Guys, they go your house.
I know open.
Which kind of play be this one?
I don't get house.
I'm saying no day.
I don't get house.
Which kind of sense beyond this one? I don't go your house.
I know they open your door.
No, you must go your house. My sister go your house.
My sister go change that for you.
What are you? Whenever I do this stuff. Fast. No time.
Don't give me, please. Leave.
I go.
The money I will give you. I'll give you the money, please.
Fast.
I'll give anything you want. I will give you, please. I will give you, please. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. There's another one here. There's another one here, please.
I'll change that one bag.
Where the money? I'll give you, please.
But I said the what? Fast.
I will give you. I will give you. Oh my God. My life is shattered. All the money I borrowed from people. all of them just gone. God, what will I tell the people I borrowed money from? They just cleared my shop. They went away with all my goods.
What happened? I hope you're not hot.
It would have been better if I was hot, rather than going out with all my money, all the old goods in the shop. They just cleared everything.
You have to report this to the police. Which criminals must be arrested?
Report with which money? What money are you going to give to those officers? Money, please leave me.
This is not the end of life.
Maybe if I cry properly, God will hear my voice. Allow me to cry out my heart. All my money. All my goods. What will I tell the people that I borrowed money from?
It's okay, you might end up breaking down as well.
Let me break down.
Your life matters as well.
Let me break down, honey. This is the worst of it.
Your life matters as well. Calm down.
Honey, leave me.
It's okay.
It has ended, though. It has ended, though. How? What will I tell the people that I borrowed money from?
I'm here with you.
Honey, please leave me.
Ìjọra ìwọ̀n ìdí jọjọ. Ọ̀pá ìdí kẹ́jẹ́ bí wọ́. Adéèdè wà níkẹ́. Onye bí wà níkẹ́.
And where are you coming from?
Mabel's house. She was robbed earlier today, so I had to go stay with her.
Can you hear yourself talk? A married woman staying in another married woman's house at this time of the night? So who then did you leave your husband for?
I don't understand. Huh? Are you a child? Huh? Because I don't get it. Haven't you been taking care of yourself in my absence before now?
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Joseph, please. I really do not have time for this.
You have no remorse for the nonsense behavior you did.
Jesus!
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you stupid?
No!
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Sorry!
Out of your senses. The next time this kind of nonsense happens again, I'll kill you in this house. Nonsense! Of the nerve to ask me questions.
Faithfully when I want baby, get you cannot eat your cake and have it. Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us. If I follow my love, it's your money, if I follow.
This house is fine. I swear. Shh. But the house is fine. I will lie for you. You know, it's not to talk. Now, if I don't push two of us, must be make noise. Wow.
Good morning. I can see you brought a friend.
Yes, I did. She would like to hear from you directly.
Yes. My name is Carol.
I like that. Sit.
Thank you. Thank you.
You see, this is beautiful. More women to empower. Because we need to start telling women, teaching women that you can actually be empowered and stand on your own.
Yes. Yes.
I noticed the last time you were here, you were curious. You were confused. You had a lot of questions to ask.
Yes, I was. You're right.
What is your name?
Carol. Carol.
Come here, Carol. Come. Sit. Are you scared? Well, you don't need to be. I am only going to walk you through a non-disclosure oath. That way you would not disclose whatever happens here today. Let me have your palm. I am only going to put you through a non-disclosure oath. You pledge not to repeat, disclose whatever happens here today outside the fraternity in order not to jeopardize the sacred order of the fraternity.
I pledge.
I cannot hear you, Carol.
I pledge.
Good. And that is it. As simple as. The fountain of life, the great Azuba, the one who blesses and gives longevity to women, the one who has made it possible for me to have all this wealth. For everything I possess, everything I am today, I owe it all to Azuba, the great one. The one who has found women worthy of her blessings. And it takes nothing to be part of it. All you just need to do is accept to be her child.
How do I become her child?
Chelo, auntie, sorry, madam. Is this a secret court or what? Or you know?
No, sister, it is not a secret court. It is a fraternity. We are a fraternity. We don't do court here. You might as well call us a love fraternity.
Nobody can tell what's God.
Carol, I need to be using big padlock because the way you know this is my house, I don't trust you again.
You know, thank God say person know your house person. In case if you want lost.
Lost Guinea. Lost Guinea. For your mind now you know road.
They say follow who know. You get why?
Oh God. How I take know you say?
They regret that.
No. Because right now I need to know you.
Yeah. They crazy.
You know it's your
to baby. Are they reason something?
What you done the reason again?
We need to involve Anna and Mabel in this. Remember, we are all friends. And we can't make decisions without them.
Well, I think it boils down to personal choices. Simply, if you want to be rich, if you want to remain poor, or accept the opportunity, it has to do with personal choices. So,
have you made your decision?
Deep down, I think I have. But like you rightly said, let's wait for the others. Then we can then speak of our choices or the decisions we've made.
Okay. That's fine. And now you talk like good persons.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
And where do you think you're going to?
I'm going out to see my friends. They called.
You're not going anywhere. Tell them you're not available to them.
I don't understand. When have I become a prisoner here?
You're not a prisoner, but you only go out when I say you do. And right now, you are not.
Joseph.
Joseph! Joseph! Anna won't be joining us. She called. She said her husband won't let her leave.
Why? What is that man's problem?
It's fine. I'll go and see her after now. Mabel, this meeting is specially for you.
What is it all about?
We found a way to kick poverty out of our lives. So we decided to share it with you.
Kick poverty?
Yes.
How?
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her.
Sandra, how on earth do you think you can kick off poverty overnight? Are you trying to lure me into committing a crime? Because I don't understand.
No. No. Far from that.
Then what is it?
Listen, I can't tell you. I need you to come with me so you see for yourself.
Okay, right now you're scaring me.
You don't have to be scared. You don't have anything to fear. I mean, we're in this together. You have the right to make a choice. You are my friend and sister. And I can't see such a golden opportunity and I'll just let it pass us by. Listen, as for me, I am tired. I'm tired of all the sufferings. I'm tired of the frustration. I just need us to put this life behind us. You know.
Okay, fine. I'll just have to make a plan to see how to sneak out of this house without my husband knowing.
Oh, God. Yeah, you should. You should. We wouldn't want to miss this. It's truly important.
I'll just make a plan.
I don't know. You should start that now.
Good. Now that you're all aware of what you're getting yourselves into, and you've all taken the non-disclosure oath, we move over to the next phase. But before we do so, is there any of you who would want to bring in some other woman who needs help?
No.
Or should we just proceed to the rites?
No, no one else comes to mind.
Very well then. Let's begin the rites. It is important to know that once the rites begins, there is no going back. Your husbands will be used as a living sacrifice to the deity Azuba. And their bodies will become a channel to enrich you all the days of your lives.
What?
Need I remind you that nobody outside this fraternity must know what is going on in here. And if any of you tries to tell or disclose any information about this fraternity, the penalty is instant death.
But Sandra and I are not married. Does that disqualify us?
No, you are not. There is a separate rite for those who are not married.
Sandra, I am so disappointed in you. Can you imagine the kind of person you brought us to meet? A murderer? Really?
Mabel,
Can you calm down? Calm down and think things out properly. Come on. Okay, tell me. What's the status of your current life situation? Tell yourself the truth. You need a breakthrough. And you, Anna, tell me, what do you have attached to your name? Nothing. Except for a man who chooses to learn martial arts with your body as his punching bag. Girl, I know the process is not cool, but trust me, it will all turn out well. Have you seen this house? Take a good look at it. Just look at this. It was achieved by a woman. A woman like us. This could be us as well. Come on.
Sandra, listen. I understand that my marriage situation might be very shitty at the moment, but I love my husband. And I know why you can stand here to spill this rubbish because you are not married. Because if you were, you wouldn't have the nerves to blab.
Ouch.
Sandra, I will advise you to stay away from this woman. Stay away from this place. You and Caro should stay away. For the devil can't give freely what you can't afford to lose. Stay away. Be warned.
You both have come so far. Can we just see this to the end? Don't leave.
What you see, this is beyond how I feel it is. There is something deeper than what you see. This is ladies' fraternity, and this is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. This is beyond what you see. This is beyond.
Honey, what are you still doing here?
Honey, I'm fine.
Oh, come on, you cannot possibly say that to me. Come on, get up, let's go and sleep.
I said I'm fine. I'm not feeling sleepy yet.
Come on, get up, let's go and sleep. Come on.
Honey, I said I'm fine.
It's okay, it's alright. Get up, It's okay, it's okay. Let's go and sleep.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
What's up? Okay. Where is Anna and Mabel? Are they not coming?
I didn't see them. I don't think they are coming.
So they chose poverty?
Obviously.
Okay. Me and poverty no get anything. Because I will never sit on the same table with poverty.
Carol, let's go. At least see the money first before you talk about poverty and riches. Let's go.
But this one na sure deal.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
You have made the right choice. The journey to wealth begins now. First, pick them. follow me. Now,
make you go like this. Don't be me carry you come. You go to follow what I do. You dey crazy.
I said
no be
now.
No become obstacle for me. You don't need to wait now. Now stop. You dey crazy
yourself.
yourself.
No
What
scatter
you be carry come yourself?
You no leave your blessing for us.
Respect yourself.
I said now.
Yes, ma. Move. Follow me for back, idiot. You want to read the water? Who takes in the water? This is the holy water. There you go. They never hold you. Eh?
Beyond what you see. This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deeper than what you see.
Oh, great Mother Azuba, I bring before you your offsprings, daughters. They are before your abode. Fill their mouth with your sweet breast milk. Let them feel the warmth embrace of a mother. Great Azuba, set them free from hurting, from bitterness, and from poverty, that they may experience blessings, blessings that flows from your fountain of blessings. And I know you will do this. Great Azuba. Great Azuba! 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 Azuba!
Beyond what you see. This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deeper than what you see. This is ladies' fraternity. And this is ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity. Ladies' fraternity.
Oh my God.
This is beyond what you see. This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deep.
Please sit.
Please. I'll go enjoy you. Thank you. Thank you.
You ladies seem excited.
Yes, so
Rightly so.
we are super excited.
We found some money in our houses. We wanted to bring go, but we didn't know how the road would be like.
I don't have big bag. That's why I did not bring for you.
That won't be necessary. The money you found is your ticket to getting a husband for the sacrifice. You have 168 hours to get married. And what are you two doing?
We are calculating.
You have 7 days to get married.
Oh! 7?
Failure to do so will attract a penalty. But if you successfully carry out the assignment, it means more blessings, more favors.
Husband for her.
We'll get on it right away.
Hey, but ma, don't be angry. Do you mean we should give our husband all the money? No.
You have 7 days to get married. 168 hours.
Okay.
7
for
days.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, ma.
This is beyond how you feel it is. There is something deep, deeper than what you see. This is.
Hey, honey, how are you?
Honey, you're back. I'm fine.
You don't look fine. You're crying.
Nothing. I can't stop thinking about the way things are going on in my life.
Come on, you don't do that. Remember, both of us are in this together, okay? You're not alone. In fact, I've got something for you.
What is it?
Yes, I was able to mop up some money for you. Just a poetry sum. It might not be enough, but at least it can cover up. Here, this is 500,000 naira. Use it to restock.
Honey, are you serious right now? Oh my God. Honey, how do you do it? How do you get this kind of big money?
It's faith.
Oh. Honey, I can't stop loving you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
Oh, baby girl, this is me, live and direct. Who owns this car? Well, this is one of my rides.
It's a lie.
Hello? Hello, are you sleeping on a bicycle?
You don't own a car?
Of course. you know what? Jump in. Let's go to a chill place. We'll have a lot of catching up to do.
Nobody can tell what God.
Baby girl, I have made money. Like, I have all the money in the world. And money is not a problem, believe me. But I have an issue. The whole reason that I am back in this village.
What is it?
I trust you can help me out, right?
Of course, I can. Whatever it is, I will. Just say it. What is it?
I need a man to marry. Can it be possible to get a husband within this next 5 days?
Wait. You need a man to marry?
Yes.
Of course, there are a lot of young guys in this village that will agree to marry you. But you say 5 days. Why in a hurry?
Business. I was given just 6 days leave at the company. So right now I need a husband. You know, I don't mind giving him money for all the marital rights. But he has to be interested in getting married. A young man, I don't care about what he looks like or what he does for a living. I have made money.
Okay. No, but I'll talk to people. I'll talk to 3 people about you.
Perfect. Talk to anyone. I don't care if he's tall, dark,
Short, handsome, or only. What? I've made money, yeah. I just need a husband. A husband, yeah. It's fine.
Thank you, my daughter. I really appreciate the gifts. By the way, you excel so much. I am proud of your achievements.
Uncle, God has been faithful.
I can see that.
Uncle, concerning what I told you earlier, I really do need a husband, urgently. You know, my company wants me back in the office by weekend. And I'm afraid I may just lose my position if I do not present my partner to them. I mean, it is quite important I get married. A well-furnished mansion has been prepared for my family and I. Yes. They believe if my family is with me, there won't be any distractions at work. They believe I'll be more, concentrated with work. Yes. And trust me, Uncle, the benefits attached to me retaining my position is quite enormous. And whoever I get married to, trust me, Uncle, will never suffer again. I mean, ever.
This is a good thing. Well, I will look around. There are so many young men out there. The challenge now is you approving of them.
Let me meet them. Trust me, I'll make my choice swiftly.
All right. I already have somebody in mind.
You do?
Trust me.
Who is he?
I'll present him to you when the time comes. Don't worry, just calm down.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, Uncle. You see why I always talk about you.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
Michael!
Mama, every time Mike. Can't I have peace in this house?
You want to live peacefully in another man's house. If you want to be comfortable, go to your own house and live peacefully.
Mama, what do you mean someone else's house? Is this not my father's house?
Are you your father?
Mama, I might not be my father, but my father's legacy. I'm his first son. This house is my house.
Don't go and look for what to do. You just be staying and money will come from heaven. Fall from heaven and then enter your hands.
Mama, your words can't put me into depression. Just know that this world is a small world though. People get rich overnight. The world just revolves round and round. Anybody can make money.
Grace. Look at somebody who is talking about grace. Don't go and look for something to do. You're talking about grace. This is what you use in deceiving yourself. If you like, Grace.
My guy, no offense, no offense, but I must tell you that your mother wants the best for you. She wants the best for you. That's why she's pushing you, trying to make you strong as the man, to be able to work hard and make money.
Do you call these things we do hustle? This is not hustle now. We can't make good money from these mini jobs we do. These are miscreant works. We can't achieve anything from it. It can't help us. It can't put money in our pockets.
My guy, even at that, idleness is no good. Don't be idle. Look for something to do. and be useful with your life. And you know they say idleness is devil's workshop, have you?
You know Sabi speak English.
No wahala.
Idleness is
no wahala.
But let me tell you something. I'm very okay being in that bed doing nothing. It makes me think very properly, without stress.
As in, staying idle makes you think properly. And
Yes.
It's not nice now. You see, just take life easy. That's the only thing I can tell you. Take life easy. When you take life easy, you can be able to see the beauty of life. Take it easy, my brother.
God, I just noticed something. Do you know what? You don't have big plans for yourself. You just want to remain in this village, carry all these local girls and do nothing. You don't want to drive big cars, live in big mansions. You just like being a pauper the way you are. It's not nice now. Wake up. Don't you know when you sit down at home, lie down by your bed, think properly, plan big, think big. You will achieve something in life. But no, you want to be doing all this local work. Continue. I dey look you now. Continue.
It's just your own good night talk.
This is not advice. I know what's right for me. I'm a son of grace.
No,
telling me about this.
It's okay. I don't know. No wahala.
Kind thing. My brother is available.
Your brother is available.
Yes, now.
I thought your brother has a girlfriend.
Which girlfriend? That's Eleka. Please. She can never have her way in my family. Yes. I swear with my blood, by the time I'm done with her, she will run far away from my family. Yes. Besides, his said career have made so much money. Don't let this opportunity pass my family by you. Bikun, I beg you.
So it's because of the money. Now I see. My brother, my family, because of money. Chidera, because of money. Anyway, talk to your brother first. Let's hear from him. Remember, matter of days we're talking about.
No, don't worry. I will talk some sense into my brother. Don't worry. Bye-bye. Hey, but I have a great news for you. I say you thank me for this.
What is it?
Firstly, you said you would give anything to go back to school and achieving your dreams, becoming an engineer.
And so?
Your one-time opportunity is here and you need to grab it very fast.
I mean, stop beating around the bush and talk to me now, yeah?
Okay. I found a wife for you. And she is rich. Like, she is very wealthy. She has money. She's ready to do anything just to make you happy. Trust me.
What kind of talk with this one? What kind of nonsense talk are you talking here?
But I'm not talking nonsense, sir. I am serious about it. I am not joking. Wait, are you sounding because of that idiot? That thing that cannot offer you anything? Biko Kwano, I don't want this opportunity to pass you by. I have to plead with Ijoma to give you this opportunity. Please, make use of it. Hold it very well.
Is this person related to Ijoma?
Yes, it's Carol we're talking about here.
Carol that we know?
But she's not a changed person. I was told that she has money. She's swimming in wealth. Brother, this girl has money now. She's not a big girl.
I'm not interested. I don't want.
Are you joking right now?
I said I don't want now.
Brother, why are you sounding this way? Brother, we are talking about your future. We are talking about the future of this family. We are talking about your home. Yes. And here you are telling me that you are not interested. Why? Brother, if you cannot grab this opportunity, if you cannot seize this opportunity, that means you're not worthy to bear the crown. Excuse me.
They will say I killed my sister.
Nobody can tell what God has for him or her. Nobody knows what God has for us.
afternoon.
Hi.
I heard a lot had changed about you, so I said, let me come and see myself.
Isn't it obvious? Are you satisfied with what you've said?
I said, let me come and hear from the horse's mouth.
I believe you are briefed on that already.
That's why I say I want to hear from the horse's mouth.
Okay. It's all about work ethics. You know, it's a win-win for both of us. You win, I win. And we're talking about money. Lots of money.
So what am I getting in return?
Name your price.
It's going to be written and signed.
Deal. To make it fast and very easy, I'll be sponsoring the wedding all in your name.
Oh my God. Hey, thank you so much, my sister-in-law. God bless you. Have a good heart. When money speak, every other thing bow. Hey, good day.
You may propose. Yes, I'll marry you.
Are you not happy? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm so happy for you. Take now, why are you not smiling?
Thank you very much. You are blessed. You are highly blessed. Highly blessed. Thank you very much. Okay, I wish bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Okay. Brother. Hey, thank God I met you. You must brought your bag. Where should I keep it? No, put it in my head. You don't know where they keep bag. Put it in my head. Sorry. My friend, go to the boot. Please, I'll put the boot. Please. Sorry, help me open it.
Hey, come back here. Where are you going? On my chancha. Wasabi. Are you sure you did not touch anything in that car?
I didn't touch anything, no.
How is he not talking? People are just full of bad luck. Just now and you want to spoil my car. My friend, drop the bag. Hey, get inside.